What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Motorhead YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're actually not going to be working on cars. We're actually at my buddy Vasily Build's house. Some of you may know him. He has his own YouTube channel and he does some wild stuff. We've also done a couple of collaborations, but you know, it is Saturday and we're just enjoying this beautiful weather. And we're going to take out his Crosskart and my S2000 and we're going to go through some back roads and just cruise both of them. And I think it's going to be really fun. I just showed up here and I already hear some bolts getting tightened. So he's probably over there getting it ready for the road, but we're gonna head over there and I'm gonna show it to you guys. So let's go check it out. Yo,
what's up, bro?
Vasily, what are you doing? I heard you screwing in bolts over there.
Yeah, bro, getting this thing ready for a rip. I mean, it's ready, but
just making sure everything's...
Yeah, we're gonna go cruise, doing a little pre-flight inspection.
Yeah, yes sir. Dang, this thing is sick. Tell us a little about it.
It is a complete custom homemade build with a Suzuki GSX-R 600 engine.
Dang, dude. Did you build this gas tank?
Yeah, build a gas tank.
Wow.
I built those wing mounts.
Oh yeah, I seen that on your Instagram, dude. That looks freaking sick. Remember your old wing stand? It was like all flappy.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, this is solid.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I had to add that X over there, and it just made it so much better.
That's so dope. I like how it's aluminum too. And guys, he completely hand built everything. By that he means suspension, frame. This was all just a bunch of pieces of metal, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this guy is a freaking wizard.
So hopefully the second time around it'll be a lot faster. It took a while to build.
Yeah. But definitely worth the wait, dude. I think this is your coolest build yet.
Oh yeah, I appreciate that.
I like the reservoir shocks too. Custom zip tie mod, not bad. Is this the shifter right here?
Yep.
You need to tighten that. Or is it just supposed to be loose so it has play? Dude, this thing is so sick.
It works.
Yeah, that's all that matters. Oh, and he has Miata wheels, Miata hubs and everything. But yeah, I've actually never seen this thing drive, dude.
You haven't?
No.
Well, we're about to drive it.
Heck yeah, dude, I'm excited.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, so me and Vasily are ready to go. We're gonna go get some Chick-fil-A real quick. And I actually wanna put the GoPro up there and record this thing, you know. You see I got this little mount right here ready to go. And when I drop my top, I can click record and you know it's gonna be perfect. So we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A, get some food. Big Wang gang over here. Yours looks more menacing. Mine looks more OEM. I like that, dude. I love this so much. So you pretty much drilled out all this and everything?
Yeah, it was not fun.
Oh, I bet. And then aluminum is not fun to bend, so that's... Alright, so let's go get some food and then let's go cruise.
For sure.
Alright guys, so this thing is fast, dude, and it sounds so good. Every time you punched it, bro, I'd have to like downshift, rev the crap out of my car to even keep up to this thing.
Yeah, dude, it's a blast.
Dude, the back roads are about to be awesome. We're gonna go get some food, and then we're gonna hit the road again and go to the back roads, do some cruising. Maybe we can go to Mexico and do a pull.
Yes, sir. Using the lower grade.
Did you write the owner's manual?
No. Yeah. Well, Google says 80, the low grade is fine, but I put the high grade in. Yeah.
Dang. So you can't drive that thing no more?
I got a spare.
Oh, you got a spare?
My guy's prepared.
All right, guys, check this out. We actually did some sketchy stuff and we pulled past the poles simply because it was just too good of a shot not to get. But man, it's just been an absolute blast just ripping it with these two cars. Man, it's been so fun. My boy Vasily setting up the camera.
Yes, sir.
He's been getting them fire shots all through the road, dude. That was sick. But check out this view we got, guys. I mean, it's just downtown Chattanooga, absolutely beautiful. This may or may not be against the rules, but sometimes you got to bend them to get that shot, you know. But yeah, guys, so they're pretty matched up in the back roads. I mean, that one obviously has a lot less power, but it has a lot less weight too. So I mean, they've done tremendously. Vasily absolutely killed it, did a beautiful job building that thing. I mean, that car is just, guys, when you think about it, everything about this car is literally hand built control arms, hand built caliper spindles. The whole cage is literally hand built. I mean, this is all built from scratch, from literally a piece of metal and a vision. And as you can see, it just performs amazingly. We have all this stuff. I mean, Vasily just absolutely killed it. Like, with everything he did, guys, it's just like too much to comprehend when you see how much stuff is going on here with the suspension, the actual parts that hold it and everything. Like, guys, you got to get this right. And as you guys can see, this thing drives straight, it drives beautiful. Vasily absolutely killed it on this build. And dude, we drove all the way downtown from the back roads. What do you think?
Dude, heart is beating.
Yeah, dude. Hey, that tunnel run, we lost the muffler on the way here, but I mean, dude, we got here, you know, so that's sick. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, be sure to smash that subscribe button. Definitely have a lot more content coming with Vasily and his crazy Crosskart. You know, once we get the supercharger on here, I don't know if you'll keep up that time, bro.
Might have to turbo it.
Dude, turbo, dude, that would be sick. Or a Hayabusa motor, honestly, you know. So stay tuned, guys. If you want to see that, be sure to hit that subscribe button, stick around. You can follow us on Instagram. I'm gonna drop the link down below, motorhead.co, and we appreciate all the love and support. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.